Good morning. Snow showers coming down to greet us on this Monday morning. You could see on our Storm Team Skycam network, our camera looking a little bit on the, it's tough to see out the camera rather because of the snow that's fallen and then kind of melted as it reached the surface there. So some snow coming down, reducing visibility, being just a little bit of a nuisance here this morning for a lot of us in the valley. Here's a look at your radar. This is scattered snow, so not everybody getting impacted by this right now. So if you're wondering where your snow is, well, it's moving through, but there are spots where we're clear or quieter. You may see some snow today, but at the moment, these are the areas that are impacted by those scattered snow showers. Stretching down through the Fargo-Moorhead area, you can see we get little bouts of it, then little breaks, and then more showers that drop southward up toward the western part of Polk County, back up through Thief River Falls and Red Lake Falls, seeing some snow. Newfoundland, maybe some snowflakes over there. Cooperstown, seeing some snow. Griggs County, much of the county seeing at least a few snowflakes in northern Barnes as well. And then this heads down I-94 toward Barnesville too. So these are all moving south, riding right along with this cold front, this secondary cold front that's dropping in, helping to reinforce more cold air associated with this area of low pressure that's going to be hanging around here today. As that gradually pulls eastward, we'll slowly see those snow chances wind down, but it's going to be one of those days. We're looking at some windy conditions too. Already a gust to 45 miles per hour out of the north in Grand Forks, a gust to 41 as well in Devil's Lake. There's a couple of places where we're seeing some 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And that wind will, since it's out of the north, help to bring in, again, that colder air. Wind advisory in effect for today in those areas, eastern North Dakota and right along the Red River, Minnesota. And then, of course, that expands to the west as well. A couple of our counties in South Dakota also included in that advisory. Our temperatures are right around freezing. So at least in the Fargo-Moorhead area, when I took a peek out the window, it looks like a lot of the snow is melting when it hits the surface, but just be aware, especially those bridge decks, those trouble areas that you know of where you are that tend to freeze over first. Those are places I would certainly be careful, cautious this morning where the snow is coming down with temperatures right around the freezing mark. And of course, with the winds, we've got wind chills that are feeling rather chilly as we would expect, some teens and some 20s to start off. And anywhere the snow is falling, of course, lower visibility. So take it easy on those roads today. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. We've got scattered areas of snow, big areas where we're not getting snow through the morning hours too, and those spotty snow showers continue into the early afternoon. Temperatures not changing much today with that northwest breeze. Ahead for later on into the afternoon hours, the farther north and east you are, the more likely you are to still be getting snow showers at that point. We're looking at snow potentially around Baudette and Red Lake and Bemidji, and still some spotty areas of snow in the Central Valley. But notice out west we start some clearing going on into the evening hours for tonight, with lingering snow showers continuing. So that northwest breeze continues to push in that colder air through the overnight hours. Gradually that eases up a little bit by morning. And we start off tomorrow in some low 20s to start off your Halloween here on this Tuesday to come, with some breaks in the clouds and some areas where we're seeing some cloud cover out west. By noon, temperatures upper 20s to low 30s. If you're still wondering what you should do about your Halloween costume, plan for dressing warmly here, because we've got temperatures this tomorrow afternoon that are only going to be into the 30s. And as we get into the evening hours, they'll be dipping back down into the 20s and 30s by late for tomorrow night for your Halloween. Along with that, we've got a little bit of a wind too that's going to cut into those temperatures. So a Halloween to bundle up. Looking ahead for Wednesday, another round of snow showers potentially with breezy conditions. Thursday, we start to see some temperatures back into the 30s after that brief warm up on Wednesday. And Friday and into Saturday, more snow showers possible. This weekend, maybe slightly warmer than last, but we've got chances for precip both days. Rain mixed in with snow and breezy to windy conditions. Temperatures are going to be into the low 40s again. And don't forget, fall back. Daylight saving time ends Saturday night and into early Sunday.
All right, thank you, Lisa.
Coming up on the Valley today, a kitchen store is offering a great way to learn how to use their products. We've got some delicious cooking classes your whole family can take part in coming up next here on the Valley today.